Taking a look at CHILLGUY, we can see that CHILLGUY is continuing to sell off from the May high. So if we take a fib from the high down to the low, we can see CHILLGUY came right to the 0.5 retracement, and that ended up being the top. Now if we zoom in, we can see that we're sitting right on top of the 236, which is about 4.2 cents. If we take the same type of fib and we draw from the bottom to the high, you can see that the 0.5 is in a similar spot depending on where you connect your levels, which would mean that if CHILLGUY actually breaks below this 4.2 level, there's a really good chance it's going to collapse down to about 3.5, which is about 20%. Now, if we take our fib from the wick to the wick, we can see it's about 3.6. But either way, I would make the case that if we break below this 4.2 level, you're most likely going down to 3.5. Now, from there, you would have to see a bounce to avoid CHILLGUY from revisiting the lows. We can see that a very sharp downtrend has formed as well, which would mean that as long as CHILLGUY is actually below the closest fib, which is the 382, it's bearish. Which means as long as CHILLGUY is below 5.8 cents, it is considered bearish. Getting over 5.8 cents would signal that CHILLGUY is once again bullish, and a larger move up to about 7.7 cents would be in play. So in conclusion, as long as CHILLGUY is below 5.8, there's no reason to assume that it is bullish, and if it breaks below 4.2, then 3.5 to 3.7 would be next, in my opinion.